Hello coffee fans, today is May 24th, 2025. We are exploring Vietnam's coffee world. It is truly fantastic, a real adventure. The French introduced coffee beans here, that was a long time ago. Now coffee is a huge part of daily life. You see it everywhere you go. People in Vietnam really love their coffee. It's more than just a morning drink. It is a culture, a ritual, a joy. Coffee shops are on every street. You will find big cafes and small stalls. People gather here all the time. They meet friends and family, they talk, laugh, and share stories. Some people work or study in cafes. It is a very social activity. From early morning until late at night, the coffee scene is always buzzing. It's a wonderful way to connect. The way they make coffee is special. They use a small metal filter. This is called a phin. Hot water goes in, then drips slowly. This makes the coffee very strong. It also makes it taste really rich. Waiting for the coffee is part of the fun. It's a slow process, very calming. This brewing method is unique to Vietnam. It's a tradition passed down for generations. What makes Vietnamese coffee so unique? Often they use Robusta beans. These beans have a bold, powerful flavor. It is quite different from Arabica. Then they add interesting things: sweet milk, eggs, or even coconut. Every cup is an experience. It's exciting for your taste buds. Vietnamese coffee is never boring. It's a delicious journey in a cup. First up is Ca Phe Sua. This is the famous Vietnamese iced coffee. It is strong black coffee, super dark, mixed with sweet condensed milk, then poured over a lot of ice. Oh, it is so good on a hot day. The sweetness balances the strong coffee. It is creamy, bold, and refreshing. You will find it absolutely everywhere. A true classic you must try. Next we have Ca Phe Trung. This is Vietnamese egg coffee. Yes, you heard that right, egg. It sounds unusual, maybe even bizarre, but trust us, it is incredible. Whisked egg yolks, sugar, and coffee. It tastes like a liquid tiramisu. So creamy, so rich, so decadent. It's a dessert and a coffee in one. Hanoi is famous for this special drink. Then there is Ca Phe Cot Dua. This is coconut coffee, a real treat. Imagine rich Vietnamese coffee. Now blend it with creamy coconut milk. Sometimes they use coconut ice cream too. It is smooth, tropical, and so delicious. A wonderful mix of coffee and coconut. It feels like a mini vacation. This one is becoming super popular, especially with younger folks and travelers. These coffees are loved for good reason. They offer such unique flavors. Each one is a special discovery. They are very different from Western coffees. Ca Phe Sua is a daily staple. Egg coffee is a rich indulgence. Coconut coffee is a tropical escape. Trying them is part of the Vietnam adventure. Each sip tells a story of creativity. You will want to try them all. Da Nang is a modern, vibrant city. It has many cool coffee shops. You can find stylish, trendy cafes. Many have great views, maybe of the river. It's a great place for people watching. Young people love hanging out here. Sipping coffee is a big part of city life. You can relax with a book or chat. The coffee culture is strong and growing. Da Nang offers many excellent choices. Hoi An is an ancient, charming town. Its coffee shops are just as lovely. Picture yourself in the old town, surrounded by yellow walls and lanterns. The cafes here are often small and quaint. They have a very peaceful atmosphere. Sipping coffee feels like stepping back in time. It is so relaxing and picturesque. Coffee just tastes better in Hoi An. The history adds to the experience. Near En Bang Beach there are great spots. Imagine this, you are near the ocean. You can hear the waves gently crashing. A cool sea breeze is blowing, and you are sipping delicious Vietnamese coffee. What could be better than that? These beachside cafes are so relaxing. They offer fresh air and fresh coffee. It is the perfect way to unwind. A truly blissful coffee moment. The variety of cafes is amazing. You can find very traditional places, little spots run by families for years, or you can find super modern ones with cool designs and new coffee styles. There really is something for everyone. Each cafe has its own unique personality. Exploring them is part of the fun. It's like a treasure hunt for coffee lovers. You'll find your new favorite spot. Hanoi is the true home of egg coffee. This is where it all began, folks. It was invented in the 1940s. Back then, fresh milk was hard to find. So a clever bartender used egg yolks instead. What a fantastic idea that was. It quickly became a culinary icon. If you visit Hanoi, you must try it. It's a taste of history and ingenuity. A rich, unforgettable coffee experience. Hue, the former imperial capital, has its own gem. It's called Ca Phe Mui, or salt coffee. Yes, salt in your coffee. Surprising, right? A little bit of salt is added, it actually enhances the sweetness. It also creates a unique creamy texture. This shows how creative Vietnamese coffee is. It's a surprising but delicious combination. It's worth seeking out if you're in Hue. Another example of local coffee genius. Now let's talk health benefits. Coffee, in general, can be good for you. Vietnamese coffee is packed with antioxidants. These help protect your body. It also gives you a great energy boost, perfect for starting your day of exploring. Coffee can even help your metabolism. Of course, enjoy the sweet ones wisely, but a good cup of black coffee is great, so drink up and feel good. Want to try making coconut coffee at home? It's quite simple. Here's a basic recipe. You'll need strong Vietnamese coffee, chilled. Then half a cup of coconut cream or thick coconut milk. Add 2 tablespoons of condensed milk or to taste, and a handful of ice cubes. Blend the coconut cream, condensed milk, and ice. Blend until it's smooth and slushy. Pour this creamy mixture over your chilled coffee. Enjoy your homemade Vietnamese delight. So, which Vietnamese coffee are you most excited to try? Is it the classic Ca Phe Sua or the adventurous egg coffee? Perhaps the tropical coconut coffee? Maybe you've tried them before? We would love to hear your thoughts. Share your coffee preferences and experiences. Vietnam's coffee culture is waiting for you. It's a journey full of flavor and fun.